The reason we went with this design is because, if you can imagine, this is almost like a joist, like a floor joist, because we have the weight of the drum sander sitting on top of here. So we can get this going this way, and then you know what? We'll pocket screw going this way as well. That'll hold the sides, the top and the bottom. I guess hopefully the whole thing won't fall apart then. Now you're gonna measure up. One down, 50 to go. Glue isn't really always necessary with pocket screws. I mean, the truth is though, the glue has more holding power than the pocket screw.